Yes, very good morning, dear students. Today we can do the problems on two-way Anova. Now, see here, the yields of the four varieties of the wheat in 3 blocks are given below. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Blocks means they are the plots, and the wheat is shown in them. A, B, 3 varieties of wheats, and their results are given here: 10, 7, 8, 5, and B, 9, 7, 5, 7, and C, 8, 6, 4, 4. And is the difference between the varieties and the blocks are significant. This is a two-way problem. It is two-way problem. Okay, we will solve it. Look here, by the data. Now, from the given data, you can form this table. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks are there. Then next row Pi, and next row Pi square. And here A, B, C, 3 varieties. And now the sum of A, B, C, Ti. And Ti square of this is Ti square. And again, the summation of x square means this is A square plus B square plus C square equal to summation of xi square. And therefore, look here, 10 plus 9 plus 8, this is 27. And 27 square is 729. Again, 10 square plus 9 square plus 8 square, it is a 245. Then, next row, 7 plus 7 plus 6 is a 20. 20 square is 400. Now, 7 square plus 7 square plus 6 square, it is 134. Then next row, 8 plus 5 plus 4, 17. 17 square is 289. And 8 square plus 5 square plus 4 square is 105. And next row, 5 plus 4 plus 4, 13. 13 square is 169. Then 5 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, 57. Okay. Now, similarly here, look here. You can add all these Ti here. 27 plus 20 plus 17 plus 13, 77 it is. It is sum of all the observations. And Ti square not necessary. Summation of xi square necessary. You can add them. 245 plus 134 plus 105 plus 57. It is 541. And similarly, look here. The 10 plus 7 plus 8. And plus 5, it is a 30. Look here, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it is a Pi. Now 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5, 30. 30 square is 900. And next 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4, 25. 25 square is 625. And 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4, 22. 22 square is 484. Okay. Now, this completes the column. My dear students, remember, mechanically you don't do, you can use the calculator for getting all these values. Now, open the calculator, on the calculator, press the mode button, and third button. Then look here, these are two columns they are. Now, 1 and 2 can be easily done. And now you can press the 2. Means this is X column, this is Y column. You enter these values in the X and Y column, and AC button, and again shift and 1 button, and third button. All the sums are available. And you write all these values. Similarly, you can use, say, the mode button, third button, mode, third button, and look here again 2 columns are necessary. Means again 2 button. X and Y column is created. You can enter the values of 3 and 4th. Okay, in the calculator. And AC button and shift 1 button and third button. All the summation values are available. You can do. And similarly for the Look here, column also. Look here, 3 columns are there. Then again, the mode button, third button, and 2. Then X and Y column. You can enter all these values, enter all these values, and AC button. Again, the shift, 1 button, third button. Look here, sum of X and sum of Y values are available. You can write. And this is only one column. For this, what you do? Shift, third, and 1, only 1. Look here, the only one column left out, and take a X, only one column. That is first, you press the number 1 and enter these values, and AC button, shift, and 1 and third button. Then all the summation values are available there. The summation of X you can get. Like this, you can save a lot of your time in examination. My dear students, N, look here, total observation. Look here, 1, 2, 3. And look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 3, 12 total observations. And row, look here, the 1 row, 2 row, third row, fourth row. So that R equal to 4 rows. And C is a column. Look here, 1 column, second column, third column, and C equal to third column. Okay, now this complete the what is the table. Next, calculation. Hypothesis. First, you state the hypothesis. Look here, hypothesis 1, H0, null hypothesis. Now, here in the check here, look here, 3 columns are there, 4 rows are there. Whichever is maximum, you take that. Then 4. Now, therefore, you take M1 equal to M2 equal to M3 equal to M4. This is you take. And for this, for the columns, it becomes M1 equal to M2 equal to M3. M4 is not there. 4th column is not there. And for the rows, 4. So that this is for both rows and columns it is. And null hypothesis. And opposite of this, equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to. At least 1. All the 4 may not be unequal. At least 1 may be unequal. It is okay. And this statement is for the rows as well as columns. And calculations. CM, T square upon N. T square upon N, you go to the table, you get the values of T and N. Look here, T 77, N is 12. Then you can get 77 square divided by 12, 494. This is CF, correcting factor. Then you underline this because you box it, because very important result. For this, marks are there. TSS, summation of xi square minus CF. CF is already here. Summation of xi square, you can get it from xi square from the table. Look here. Summation of xi square, 541. Then write the 541. Look here. Here. Summation of 541 minus 494, 47. This is a TSS. And box it. For this, marks are there. Yes, sir. TI. Summation of TI square upon Ni minus CL. Then look here. TI square. See TI square. Look here. 729 divided by 3 values. Divided by 3 plus 400 divided by 3 values. 3 plus 289 divided by 3 values plus 169 divided by 3 values. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 values. You can make a calculation. Look here. And you are getting 494 and you are getting 35. This is SSR. Okay. And box it because important result. SSC. Summation of PI square upon Ni minus CF. Summation of the PI square from the table. Look here. PI square 900 divided by how many values? 4 values. 900 divided by 4 plus 625 divided by these 4 values and plus 484 divided by these 4 values. And enter here. Look here. Minus 494. 502 minus 494, 8 SSC. And SSE equal to TSS minus SSR minus SSC. All these results are TSS is available here, 47, and SSR available here, 35, and SSC, 8 available here. And this gives 4. Look here, all the calculations are over. My dear students, you remember these things, all these things in a mind, so that they are important for examination purpose. Next, look here, this table very, very, very important. And if this table is correct, you will get a full marks. Examiner for valuation, they see this table and your judgment written at the bottom. Only he will see, and rest of thing he won't see. If everything is correct, then and then only this table is correct. Otherwise, not correct. Now look here, variation, rows, columns, error, total. And degrees of freedom, R minus 1 for the rows, C minus 1 for the columns, and R minus 1 into C minus 1. Then SS means SSR and SSC, SSC. And MSR equal to SSR divided by R minus 1. And SSC divided by C minus 1. SSC divided by R minus 1, C minus 1. Look here, you can enter all these values. Already we have calculated. The N minus 1 means 12 minus 1, L1. Look here, if we add all these 3, you can get total. And similarly, you can add all the 3, last TSS you have to get. This is matching values they are. Then MSSR. Look here, SSR divided by R minus 1. 35 divided by 3, L1.67. And SSC divided by C minus 1. Look here, SSC divided by C minus 1. 8 upon 2. This is 4. And similarly, the SSC divided by R minus 1, C minus 1. Look here. This 4 divided by 6, 0.67. And FR equal to MSR divided by MSC. Look here, L1.67 divided by 0.67. This is 17.42. And here, look here. If MSR is greater than MSC, this is. If MSC is greater, it becomes the inverted. MSC coming to the numerator, MSR coming to denominator. And this FR value should be always greater than 1. Okay. Now look here. You can write MSR, its degrees of freedom 3. Look here, 3. And MSC, look here, MSC, its degrees of freedom 6. And this is useful for finding the table value. Then FC equal to MSC divided by MSC. Look here, 4 divided by 0.67, 5.97, and MSC and its degrees of freedom 2, you write. And MSC, its degrees of freedom 6. This is useful to find table values. Look here, FT at 0.05 with the degrees of freedom mu1 equal to 3. Look here, this mu1 equal to 3, and degrees of freedom mu2 equal to the 6. And from the table, you are getting 4.76. You compare this value and FR value. See, FR 17.42, this is 4.76. And look here, 17.42 is greater than 4.76, then H0 is rejected for rows. And similarly, look here, the FT at 0.5 with the degrees of freedom 2 and degrees of freedom 6 is 5.14. And compare this value with the FC value. Look here, this is FC value 5.97 and this is 5.14. Look here, this is greater than 5.14. Then H0 is rejected for columns. In this way, you can do it. My dear students, go through the video and please comment it and subscribe it and like it and share it. I salute you. We wish you good luck. And next, the second method I will do, this is 50% shorter than that. You wait for that video to upload. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice time. Wish you good luck.